Not yet. No.
What's up, YouTube? Today, I just filmed a video on a 458 Spider. If you don't know what that is, it's a type of Ferrari. But now we're gonna be outside looking at these other cars. As you can see, there's an RA right here. Now let me show you guys the interior real quick. I love the interior of those. Now there's another Ferrari that I gotta show you that I like. This one. I'm pretty sure this is a California T, I think. And no, this is not a California T. I'm gonna hand this back to Mom. So yeah, these are the cars, and here's another Ferrari. Right here. Let's see what it looks like here. This is the California T. Look at the interior. Jeez, it's awesome. Oh, and here's the Lotus over here. If you can see it. This is the Lotus. Now, I'm gonna take the camera and show you it super well. Like, look, here's the back of it. Here's the engine. And the interior of the Lotus. And the front. I always thought it looked like a bug. All right, let's move over to this side to see what's over there. Mercedes, Benz. This is also Bentley, if you didn't know that. Oh, and here's some Ferraris down here. And a BMW. The Bentleys. He's got his engine opened up for the 458 Italia. Then I'll look at that. There's some Ferraris right here. Jaguars. Is this an M4? Let's see if this is an M4 here. Let's see what this is. This is an M4.
He's shutting the thing. Can we see under the hood real quick? He's doing a YouTube video.
Yeah, the engine?
If you wouldn't mind. Thank you so much.
All right, he's gonna show us the engine.
Back over here, though.
Oh, I saw the hood up. I just assumed.
That's the trunk.
Sorry.
All right, there's the engine of it.
Oh, wow.
458 Italia.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And
Appreciate it.
that's
That's a nice
everything
car.
over here.
I'm going to start it up. You want to hear it?
Ooh,
Yeah.
you're
All right.
lucking out today.
He's gonna start it.
Go stand by him. Go stand by him.
Super loud. That's awesome. Moving it. That's a fast car there. If it's that loud, it's super fast, you can tell. Now, we're gonna go look at some more Ferraris over here. This day's, is this an Alfa Romero? No, that's not an Alfa Romero, but look. Geez, here's another Ferrari. This place is, and there's a Lotus over there that I want to show you guys. That's the inside. Oh, I've seen one of these Ferraris before. It looks like it has baby eyes, kind of. Here, this has to be the California T right there. California. That's inside of there. Yeah, this is the California T. Mom, stop opening it.
You can sit down real quick.
Mom, you're not allowed to do that. Jeez. My mom's trying to open it because the key's in there. But let me show you these Lotuses real quick. Oh, dude. I have one of these Hot Wheels version. Look at this. Well, we used to have it. Well, this Ferrari just started up. Let's go check that one out.
Did you show this one?
Yeah. All right, let's go do it.
Just real quick. No one cares.
Dude,
You're
look
not. You're.
dude, look at these cars.
Now you're a boy. They're not gonna care if he's sitting there real quick.
Mom,
Go sit
let's
down.
go to the California Tea real quick and sit in it. See what they do. We're kind of just testing out real quick.
Oh, it's damaged. Like it's wrecked right here.
Look, it got wrecked.
Okay, to show the inside. Oh, here comes someone.
Jeez, let's go.
Look at that one. Go run up
All right,
and
that's a
video.
458 Italia. Jeez, they're active today right now. They're moving. Look at this old Lotus.
Again for you. Go, go, go.
It's reading it. Yeah.
You're scoring today.
I love Ferraris so much.
You're awesome. Thank you so much.
All right,
Okay.
there. That's all I wanted to do today. Bye.